tumekuwa na ushungu sana sababu ya Seth. Na allow me to speak. Sababu hili ni janga ambalo hatuwezi itikia kulipitia tena sisi kama wazazi. Tumekuwa tukufuata wakati wenye tulipata ya kwamba Seth ameuliwa, sababu aliuliwa. Tulienda huko Biafra. Na ukishaenda huko kwa hizo apartment, your excellency, watoto wetu wanakaa mahali, kuna mahali ambapo watoto wanakaa ambapo hapa hakuna security. Watu wenye wanakaa huko hata hujui mwenye kujenga hilo nyumba ni serikali ya Kiambu ilikubali aje hiyo nyumba kujengwa mahali ambapo ni kule chini kabisa. Hakuna light, hakuna anything. Hata wewe mwenyewe ukienda huko utaona tu binadamu hastahili kuishi pale. Your Excellency, tunaombea watoto wetu sababu ya kwamba Seth alikuwa tu ameenda kutembelea rafiki yake msichana na akapatwa tu na hili janga. Sisi kama watu wa Kirinyaga, sisi kama waheshimiwa wa Kirinyaga na sisi kama wazazi, ni jukumu letu, na sisi kama watu ambao tuko kwa serikali tukue na mikakati. Ukiangalia kama wazazi, watoto wetu, hata wakati wenye tulikuwa tu pale kwa moshali uko Thika, kuna watoto waliletwa hapo 4 4 ya watoto washanga. Tungeomba tu Mungu atujalie na Mungu atupe nguvu, na kwa hiyo
kawaida yako daima kuwa na huruma na kusamehe. Tunakusihi kwa wiko, tunakuomba kwa kuwa alikutumaini na kukuamini wewe. Kwa hayo kwa jina la Bwana wetu Yesu Kristo mwanao, anayeishi na kutawala nawe katika umoja wa Roho Mtakatifu, Mungu
project that of the act of kindness, and I'm going to assure you we are a family, and myself and we heard that on behalf of the County Assembly of Kirinyaga, I extend my deepest condolences on the passing of our beloved daughter Seth Nyakio Jerry. The cruel and incomprehensible nature of her untimely death has left us with a profound grief. I can only imagine the overwhelming sorrow you must be feeling as you grapple with the senseless tragedy. My thought and prayers are with you during this difficult time. The devastating pain of losing a beloved daughter creates a void which is truly unimaginable. Seth was a radiant light in your lives, embodying genuine warmth and infectious enthusiasm. Her extraordinary ability to connect with people brought joy to friends and family. And as you navigate the profound grief, may you find comfort in the lasting influence that she had on our community, reminding us the importance of kindness and compassion in our daily lives. My office and the entire County Assembly of Kirinyaga stand firmly with you in pursuit for justice, and we urgently call the Directorate of Criminal Investigation to prioritize the investigation and ensure those who are responsible for this heinous act are held to account. Justice for Seth is not only a personal necessity for your family, but also critically imperative for the entire community. To Honorable Jerry, as you endure the pain, please find comfort in knowing that you are surrounded by those who care for you and your family. We stand with you and support you in whatever you need. May the shared memory of Seth and the love around you offer you peace amid the sorrow. May you find
condolences on my own behalf and on behalf of my family and the residents of Gatongora to the family of Jerry and her husband, Bogo. We received the death of Seth with a profound shock. And at this juncture, we do not have much to say. We just want to say what has happened has happened. But collectively, as leaders, we shall make sure that justice is served. I also want to bring my condolences to the members of Counties Assemblies Forum, where I am a member with Mheshimiwa Jerry. Receive those condolences from our chairman, Speaker Sabulei, and our Secretary General, Honorable Chege Mwaura.
The circumstances surrounding the reason why we are here today is something that needs a lot of introspection as a society. Because when the lives of young people are more vulnerable than the sickly and the old, as a society, we have a reason to be very worried. Because the youth are our future. The youth are the people who are less vulnerable to these situations. And as leaders, as a church, and as a society, let us play our role to protect our young people. Let us not allow each and every such a case that happens just to go down without it being followed to the end.
Sisi kama county members of assembly led by our governor tutaensure na tukobiate until justice is served and your family ikuwe comfortable na you feel they have received what they deserved in this country of ours.